Hello viewers, today I am going to repair the Dell laptop battery which is not working. It's written here also not working. Before that, please subscribe to Audio is 360 and click the notification bell icon. Now let's start the process. So now I am going to disassemble the battery using this tool. This is very sharp. Let's remove the clip without breaking the case housing. Alright, the case is removed without breaking. Now let's check the voltage in the battery, whether all batteries are good or not. These two batteries are connected in parallel. Again, these two batteries are connected in parallel and these two batteries are connected in parallel. And this 1, 2, 3 sets are connected in series. So we get 11.1 volts. Alright, let's check the battery voltage here. 3.31. So these two batteries has 3.31 volts, which is very good, and 3.25, good. This also has 3.25 voltage, fine. And this one, no voltage at all, 0. Okay. These two batteries are bad. Because of that, the battery pack is not working. We have to get around 10 voltage or 10 plus 11 voltage, around something. It's not coming here. So these two batteries are bad. We are going to replace this battery. So this is the bad battery. Now I am going to use these batteries. Let's check the voltage here. 3.54, great. Alright, the battery is fixed properly. Now it's time to reassemble the battery. Before that, let's check the voltage. 3.27. This battery 3.20. Now in this battery 3.53. Alright, now overall voltage from this end to that end. I forgot to spot weld here. Let me do that. Now let's check the voltage here. 3.27. 3.19, 3.579. Now let's check overall battery's voltage, 10.02 voltage. Alright, the battery is perfect. Now let's reassemble the battery in the case. Alright, the battery pack is ready. Well, back to life. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and write comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.